Okay, so you got your old twine here. I got a bunch of slack and my needle's just in my pocket. I'm gonna put my fit in at the same angle as one of the tick marks and try and get a wiggle jiggle through, send it all the way through. I'm gonna take a bite in my twine like so, needle leading off this side. Send that bite through, stuff your fit in your pocket. This loop here gets thrown over the top. This loop here gets pulled towards you. So you pull this one and send this one over the top. Note that you don't twist it and send it over the top. Note that it's open and it's sent over the top. Then your needle goes over, under, over, and you can stow it in your pocket. We're gonna work out the slack next. We can kind of set everything this way. We're gonna pull on this line here with 2 fingers underneath. We're gonna pull that taut. Then we're gonna drop that and we're gonna pull this line here in this direction. Now watch what happens. There'll be a little loop of twine that comes through. That's what we wanna see right there. I'm gonna keep pulling and you'll see that it's now caught real tight there. The next step is to pull the slack out of that one and then finally on the needle, and there is your hanging with a 2-finger drop.